This video will show you how to make a bouncy ball animation in Blender. Please watch it to the very end. When you open Blender, first press Delete to delete the default cube. Click on this icon, then switch this area from 3D Viewport to Preferences. Go to Add-ons, then click in this search box and type in Extra. Now click on this box to activate Add Mesh Extra Object add-on. Now click here and switch this area back to the 3D viewport. Press Shift to then go to Mesh and add a round cube. Come down here and click on this drop-down arrow to expand its settings panel. Click here on Radius, then increase its radius to 1. Click here also, then increase these arc divisions to 8 as well. Now press G then Z then 3 to move it up by 3. Press Shift to then go to Mesh and add a plane. Press S then 4 to scale it up by 4. Now go to the Physics properties, then click on Collision to add a collision physics to it. Scroll down to Friction, then reduce it to 3.5. Select this ball, then come back to the Physics properties, then click on Soft Body to add a soft body physics to it. Now if you play it, you can see it just wiggling in the air. To fix that, come back to the Physics properties and deactivate Goal. Now if you play it, you can see it falling down. So come back to the soft body settings, then click on this drop-down arrow on edges, then scroll down and increase the bending to 10. Now if you play it, you can see that it's becoming stiffer. So go back to the first frame, then come and click on this box to activate stiffness. Now if you play it, you can see that it's bouncing. So come back to the soft body settings and activate self-collision. Scroll up, then click on this drop-down arrow on Cache, then click on Bake to bake the simulation. Now if you play it, you can see it bouncing perfectly. So now go to Object and Shade it Auto Smooth. And now we are done. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial up to now. I really appreciate. If you found this video useful, please consider subscribing to this channel and hit the notification bell so that you never miss out on our latest content. Also, let us know what you want us to teach you about Blender in the comments. I promise we'll make a video. Have fun animating. I sign out.